In this video, I will show you how to fix camera shake in After Effects. Start by making sure you have your clip in the timeline. Then, go to the top menu bar and click on Window. From the list, select Tracker. A tracker panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In the tracker panel, click on Stabilize Motion. A new window will open and you will see two squares on your screen. These are your tracking points. You can move around the camera view by pressing down the mouse scroll wheel and dragging. To zoom in and out, hold down the Control key and use your mouse scroll wheel. Now move the squares onto a small object in your video that has high contrast and is easy to track. You can also adjust the size of the squares to fit your object better. Once you have placed the tracking points, go back to the tracker panel and click the play button next to Analyze. After Effects will start tracking the object. When the tracking is done, play the video and check if the tracking is good. If the tracking is not smooth or the point moves away from the object, choose a different point and try again. If you are happy with the tracking, go back to the tracker panel and click on Apply. Now when you play the video, you will see the camera is much more stable. But you will also notice black bars around the edges of the video. There are two ways to fix this. The first way is to select your video clip, then press S on your keyboard to open the scale settings. Increase the scale until the black bars are gone. If you do not want to scale the video too much, you can use another method. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Motion Tile. Drag and drop it onto your video clip. Then go to the Effect Controls panel, enable Mirror Edges, and set both the output width and output height to 250. Now when you play the video, the black bars are gone and your video looks stable.